Let's create and start a meeting as a host in Google Meet on your Mac or Windows. For that, you have to open up Google Chrome or any browser, then click the Google Apps menu and select Google Meet from here. Hit on New Meeting and you will see three options. The first one is create a meeting for later. This gives you a link you can share and use whenever you need. The next one is start an instant meeting. This jumps you right in. You can copy the link or invite people. From here on the right side, you can find the host control feature whenever you create and start that meeting. From here, turn on host management to control what participants can do. You can decide if they can share their screen, send reaction, or use their mic and camera. You can also set it so the host has to join first or limit access to trusted participants. And the last one is schedule in Google Calendar. This lets you set up a meeting for a specific time. It will automatically open Google Calendar and create an event, add a title, date, time, and any details you need. Google Meet will automatically generate a meeting link. You can also set up notification and add a description if needed. You can also add guests from here. And when you are all done, just hit save and see it's on your calendar. Whenever your meeting time comes, it will remind you from here that you have a meeting, and you can also see the schedule on your Google Meet home screen. Start it from either or these two places, whichever you prefer. That's it. Now you are all set to create a host a meeting in Google Meet. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.